Hi, this is Mrs. Mendelson. Before we get ready to make the doggy ice cream that you're going to see in the video coming up, I just want to let you know that when you put in your ingredients, make sure you put them in the order that is on the recipe that is attached to this video. Otherwise, your blender might not be able to handle it. Also, if it gets to be too much for your blender, take some out and then do it in batches. All right, and enjoy the video. Hi, Mrs. Mendelson here again. Going to continue with our doggy treats theme. So we're going to make some doggy ice cream. Okay. So first you need 3 ripe bananas. You need 32 ounces of plain yogurt, not sweetened. So you can use Greek yogurt, you can use regular yogurt, just make sure it's unsweetened. And then you need a cup of peanut butter. Okay. So basically, you're just going to dump everything into the blender. And this will make a lot. You can pour them into some old yogurt cups, like these here, or I got some little ice cream cups here. This will make a lot, so it's great if you have a larger dog, but if you have a smaller dog, you can always cut the recipe in half, or it's going in the freezer anyway, so you can just save them and use them all summer. Okay. And let's get the yogurt in. On your blender, make sure it's on good because otherwise you're gonna have a big mess. And then you just turn it on. And it's getting excited for his ice cream. All right, so we finished blending up doggy milkshake here, and then what we're going to do is just pour some into the cups here. Don't fill it up all the way, it needs room to freeze. It's going to expand. So they go into the freezer, leave them in there for 2 to 3 hours, and then they'll be frozen, and then you can give them to your dog. All right, and I will show you how much Bandit likes them when we're done. All right, hi, we're outside because it's a nice hot day, a perfect day to have some ice cream, and Bandit is anxiously waiting to have his doggy ice cream. So we're going to give it to him. Here we go. All right, he seems to be enjoying it. It's going to take him a while, so we're not going to watch him eat the whole thing. All right, thanks for joining us. Bye.